Hi children. Today we discuss about the exterior angle property of triangle. Exterior angle property of triangle. Exterior means outside of the triangle. Once observe see the figure children. Here ABC is a one triangle. BC extended up to D. BC extended up to D. Okay. Here outside one angle formed through AC. AC is a side. ఈ side తోటి ఒక angle outside angle form అవుతుందమ్మా. Once observe here outside angle is there in triangle one side. That is called exterior angle. Exterior angle. Once observe the figure. Here ABC is triangle is there. ABC is triangle. Here can BC extended to 3. This one outside angle form, this is called exterior angle. Exterior angle. In triangle, how many exterior angles are there? We can extended A, B, C triangle, extended BC to D, here one triangle, and AC to E, here outside one triangle, and AB through F వరకు ఇది అప్ టు F వరకు చేసామనుకోమ్మా దిస్ one triangle. 1, 2, 3 triangles are formed. Okay, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. In a triangle, how many exterior angles are there? 3 exterior angles are formed. 3 exterior angles are formed. Here once observe. Here angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Here one angle is there. This one inside of the triangle I will write 4, 5 and this one 6. You know the angle for 4 plus 5 plus 6. Sum of 3 interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. These two angles sum is 180 degrees. Now find the sum of exterior angles in a triangle. Sum of exterior angle in a triangle. We can add these two angles. Which angles? This one straight line. These two angles are linear pair. Then angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. This is first one. Second one, angle 4 plus angle 2 also 180. Why? EC is also straight line. Angle 2 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. This one second one. Third one, angle 3 plus angle 6. These two also 180 degrees. Angle 3 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. We can all 3 angles. 3 angles add చేస్తున్నాము. Add అంటే angle 1 plus angle 5, angle 6 అలా యాడ్ చేయకూడదు. These are angles. Some values are there. You can write angle 1 plus 1, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6. All angles are there. You should write angle 1, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180. 180 plus 180, 360 plus 180, 540 degrees. You can add all 3 angles. You know that angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property, angle 2 plus angle 3 plus these 3 are 180 degrees is equal to 540 degrees. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 540. This 180 transpose RHS to LHS to RHS. 540 minus 180, that is equal to 360 degrees. Then angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 360 degrees. This is the first condition. Sum of 3 exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle sum is 360 degrees. Interior sum of 3 interior angles of triangle is 180 degrees. Okay. Sum of exterior angle of triangle is equal to 360 degrees. Sum of interior angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. This is the angles sum property of exterior angles. Now relation between the exterior angle, interior angle, exterior angle and interior angle. What is the relation between the exterior and interior angles? Okay. Once draw the figure like this. This one exterior angle, okay, A, B, C. Small proof is there. Once I will explain this proof. Here AB one line is there. Once observe the children. AB is line. You can draw AB parallel to one line. Here you can draw E. CE is parallel to AB. CE is parallel to AB. You can draw CE line parallel to AB. This exterior angle divided into two parts. Angle 1, 2. Ala divided into two parts anukondi. ACB is exterior angle divided into two parts. Angle 1, angle 2. Here you should write angle 3, angle 4, angle 5. You should write angle 3, angle 4, angle 5. Okay. Sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Once see the children, these two are parallel lines. AB and CE are parallel lines. Here AC is transversal. AC is transversal. AC. These two are parallel lines. AC is transversal. Here 3 is there. Here 2 is there. Once observe this one ila extend chesam anukomma. 2 and 3 are which angles? Alternate interior angles. CE is parallel to AB. AC is transversal. AC is transversal. Angle 3 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 2. This one first one. Now these two. Once observe the BC is transversal. The AC and AE are parallel lines. BC is transversal. This angle, here 1 and 4. This one outside angle, this one inside angles. These two are called corresponding angles. Then angle 4 is equal to angle 1. Second one, corresponding angles. Corresponding angle. These two are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. We can add these two. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay. 3 plus 4 is inside of the triangle angles, inside angles. 1 plus 2 is outside, that is called ACD. That is called angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Angle ACD, this angle is equal to ACD, this angle. Okay children, this angle, exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angles. Exterior angle is equal to exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angles. This is the property of the exterior angles. Relation between the exterior to interior. Okay. Exterior angle is equal to opposite interior angles. దాని పక్కనే ఉన్నది లీనియర్ పేర్ అవుతుందమ్మా. అది కాకుండా రిమైనింగ్ టూ యాంగిల్స్ని మనం యాడ్ చేస్తే దట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్టీరియర్ యాంగిల్. వన్స్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, స్మాల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. హియర్ 120 is there. This one 80 degrees. A, B, C, D. 80 degrees. What is angle this? ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే 80 ప్లస్ యాంగిల్ బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 120. అంటే 80 ప్లస్ 40 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 120. ఓకే. లైక్ దిస్ యూ క్యాన్ డూ ద సమ్స్.